Do you want to avoid a $50,000 seal leak repair fee? Find out how to prevent it with flow meters on your gas compressor. Compressor stations are subject to emissions regulations, and packing leaks are the target. Avoid emissions fines with a proactive approach, and you'll get bonus cost savings with a more efficient gas compressor. Without monitoring devices, the possibility for packing leak failures increase, which will drive up the cost of the repair. Implement an advanced leak detection and repair program that incorporates monitoring flow rates of packing vent leaks to gain insight on better mechanical seal maintenance. The advanced thermal mass flow meters from Fox Thermal are ideal for the low flow rates commonly found in this application and offer highly accurate and repeatable gas flow measurement so you can get a handle on fugitive emissions. To learn more about flow meters used in gas compressor packing leak management, click the link in the video description or visit our website at foxthermal.com. Make downtime a thing of the past with Fox Thermal, the industry leader in thermal mass flow measurement.